flooding is forecast. Where? Rockaway River at Boonton below RESVR. When? Until tomorrow morning. Impacts: at 6.0 feet, flooding occurs on Vale Road in Mocho. The road heading into Parsippany is subject to closures. Additional details: at 6 p.m. Saturday the stage was 4.6 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise to a crest of 5.0 feet just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 5.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 5.0 feet on December 1st, 2020. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood warning.